to Palace on a crisp spring day, where the steam dreams gather and the layouts play. Through the grand old doors, past the ticket line, it's a world of tiny railways, frozen in time. Retired gents in railway caps, swapping tales of steam and tracks. Grandkids tugging wide-eyed bright, Granddad, can we build one tonight? Oh, the Alexandra Express, where the trains are small, but the passion's immense. Past the ballast, wires of steam, every carriage carries a dream. Dads and daughters, side by side, fixing signals with careful pride. Mums with toolkits, soldering fine. Who says this hobby's just for guys? A young woman leans it close to see the perfect shade for a model tree. An artist paints a station sign, a whole world crafted, frozen in time. Oh, the Alexandra Express, where the trains are small, but the passion's immense. Past the ballast, wires of steam, every carriage carries a dream. Dads and daughters, side by side, fixing signals with careful pride. Mums with toolkits, soldering fine. Who says this hobby's just for guys? A young woman leans in close to see the perfect shade for a model tree. An artist paints a station sign, a whole world crafted, frozen in time. Oh, the Alexandra Express, where the trains are small, but the passion's immense. Past the ballast, wires of steam, every carriage carries a dream. Oh, gauge and gauge, clockwork steam, every layout tells a dream. Some build tunnels, some build towns, some just watch the trains go round. Tea and biscuits, chats in stalls, swapping engines, sharing calls. From rookies to lifers, side by side, one big railway, loving tribe. So here's to the dreamers, the makers, the crew,